Updating your credit card on ZipRecruiter is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the ZipRecruiter website and log in using your credentials. Ensure you have access to the account associated with the credit card you want to update. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the page, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Access payment information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ishrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Update your credit card details. Find a section where your credit card information is displayed. Click on the option to edit or update your credit card details. Enter the new credit card number, expiration date, and any other required information. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new credit card information, make sure to save the changes. Look for a confirmation message indicating that your payment details have been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily keep your payment information up to date on ZipRecruiter. Regularly checking your account settings can help prevent any payment issues in the future.